Time to make a video and the train's behind me. What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. I'm out here in the rain, and as you see the title of the video, I'm about to get the GR Corolla wrap. Pardon the audio, I don't have my camera because I was not expecting to be where I am now. So I'm about to drop the GR Corolla off with my guy Nate to get it wrapped. As you know, Nate, he's wrapped all of my cars. He did the calipers on the ZL1. He did my stripes on the GT350. He did my half and half on the SS1 LE. He did my M2 wrap. That thing was phenomenal. Still, man, I had to take that off. And he did my half and half wrap on my Hellcat. So, man, he's been doing a lot of work for me, doing a lot of work with me, and we're about to do the same thing to this GR Corolla. What is my car looking like right now? Plain Jane, it's all black, it's blacked out. And I got the red mud flaps, red calipers, red accents on the badges, but that's all stock, minus the mud flaps, red YouTube logo. I ain't want it to be that way, but that's just what it is. You can see the vanity plate I got on here is Gazoo Q. Is that a hint? I don't know, but we're gonna see in just a little bit. So if you know me, you know I like to make my things pop just a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, make this thing pop, add a little bit of pizzazz to it. So before we get into today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, let's get into it. We made it to the spot, so in about 30 seconds y'all will see the car revealed, but fortunately for me, got the car washed. Y'all saw when I saw the mud flaps, I washed the car right after, got rained on twice, so now we dirty again. So tried to help Nate out, but look like we might have to wipe it down a little bit, so, but it'll be all right. At least it's not dirt caked on there. So sometime later, the car's finally ready, so I'm on my way to go pick it up. My ride just arrived, and I got my camera this time. So let's get on and take a look at the brand new looking GR Corolla. Already seen it, unfortunately, but yeah, I'm about to go pick it up. It's gonna be due to y'all, so here we go. Before I reveal my wrap, do y'all see that huge bird down there? So this is the same spot where I unveiled my M2 competitions wrap at, and this bird was here, but it was laying eggs. Where the babies at? So last time it was over in this other corner. Let me not show y'all the car real quick. It was in this corner, and I was approaching it. I didn't realize it was laying eggs. Race Car 21, what do I do, man? What do I do with this bird? All right, so let me get to this reveal, because this bird is out here. Oh my God, it's walking. All right, let me show y'all the wrap on here. Introducing the new GR Corolla. Wait a minute, Q, that's the same. Aha. A little bit different. So coming around here, I decided to go with the red accents, even though my vanity plate says Gazoo Q and Gazoo is green, but got to be coordinated, got to make sure things match. So I decided to go with red. So it's going to match the mud flaps. I got this. Oh my God, what is it doing? It's talking to me. I don't know what that means, but I'm not scared of it because I told the pop out. But here we go. Got the red roof and got the red mirrors. Not too bright, but it's better than just being all black. So I love my colors to pop, and this is no exception to that rule. What you think, so Thing? Thing approves. So yeah, let me get y'all some higher angles so y'all can see. So basically, mirror caps and the roof and the spoiler, because I needed something to set off with these red accents. We got the red on the GR logo there, got the red calipers, the red mud flaps. I need the red mirrors. And unfortunately, it's about to get dark. See, we got the parking lot lights on, and this bird is over there. What you doing? We got all these badges here. So I think I should do something with the Toyota badge too, but might be doing too much. Want to keep it subtle, a little bit simple, but maybe we'll do a version 2 later on, but I just didn't want it to be a murdered out black car. So now we got some color on here. And then we kept the side of the spoiler black because we just decided to go down the body lines here. And shout out to my guy Nate, wrap it all. We just got the top of the spoiler, but on the side it's still black. So this is the circuit edition spoiler. The bird talking again. Is that babies down there? No, it's not. And then we got the mirrors too. So this red is slightly brighter. Hopefully once the sun comes out and my car is clean, like the brake calipers and the mud flaps will pop. Because like I said, I washed this car to get it wrapped, and it's been getting rained on every day since. It's even raining right now. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about this. I think it looks great. It's a little bit of a wrap to make a big difference. So didn't have to do too much to make the car pop. So now it's not stealthy. I can pop out, got some accents in here so I can stand out just a little bit more. Because I really wanted a red GR Corolla. That was my first color choice, but I got the black because it was available. You don't get your picks and choosing when it comes to these things. So now I got the best of both worlds. Like, I like how the black looked, but I still wanted my red. Since it's about to be dark now, I'm about to come back outside once the car, maybe I might clean it again. I don't know, 2 car washes in a week. That ain't what we do around these parts. But I'm gonna see what it looks like in the sunlight because we getting real dark right now. So I'll catch y'all in a bit. From dusk till dawn. And what better place to reveal the wrap in the sunlight than at a Ferrari dealership? They known for red. So we're about to show you all the car in its full essence when we got sunlight outside. So now that the sun's shining, the accents do match a whole lot better. When it's cloudy, they don't pop as much. But this is dirty and it still matches quite well. It's kind of Fiat 500-esque. But I gotta get to telling you all what the inspiration behind this color combo was, besides the fact that it matches. So the inspiration behind this one, I don't know if you all are aware of this vehicle, but a 2012 Mustang Boss 302. So the Laguna Seca edition. So that's where I got the inspiration behind this one. There's a couple other things as well, like Shadow the Hedgehog. I'm a huge fan of Sonic. Y'all see the gems in my logo, and also a shoe. We got a Jordan 12, so the black and red Jordan 12. The Brez if you're a shoe collector, but yeah, but it's kind of upside down, it's inverted, but it still goes. So there we have it. I brought my buddy Shadow along with me, so there he is, like a little bead sample of him. So Shadow the Hedgehog, everybody. Gotta stand up on the curb to show y'all this cool answers at the top, but yeah, there it is, black and red with the accents. Might do some more subtle things, like this GR4 that's subtly in the bumper down here. I don't know if y'all knew that was there, but might get red vinyl going in there. That could be it, man. Not too much more to do. But let's take a look at these Ferraris. What we got up there and what we got in the window. We might as well window shop while we're here. This is super fast. Then what we got back there, SF90. Probably terrible at my Ferrari models. And what we got here, a F8 Spider. All right, last time I came here, I ain't know what was what, but we good this time. So yeah, now we all red, and I'm in the Ferrari gang now because I got that over there. Just kidding, I'm gonna get y'all pennies in a bunch. I'm about to wrap this video up. Hope y'all enjoyed my new wrap on the GR Corolla. So we're about to go on to the next video. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.